Here is a neat little trick that will allow you to connect your large wireless keyboard and mouse with your Android tablet or mobile phone, hence providing the productivity of your laptop or desktop on the go. Well, to do that, what we are going to need is this kind of USB OTG adapter. The one I have is like this. This is known as the 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 format. And what we are going to do is we are going to plug the receiver of our wireless keyboard and mouse, something like this. Now, the reason that I recommend wireless keyboard and mouse is because you get the access of both of these things with the help of one receiver. You can also use this trick with wired keyboard and mouse, but instead of this OTG adapter, what you will need is USB Type-C hub. Alright, so what I'm going to do is simply plug this in to the tablet USB port, something like this. And after plugging, make sure to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. By the time your tablet or Android mobile phone is going to install all the driver and enable these devices for you. The process for mobile phone is absolutely the same. I'm using the tablet today because screen is a little larger and hence it's easier for me to show it to you. Alright guys, affiliate buying links for this kind of USB OTG adapters, tablets, phones and the wireless keyboard and mouse combos themselves are available in the video description, in the first comment or in the affiliate section right over here. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel. Alright, and as we can see that the drivers have been installed and the mouse cursor is now visible. Let's check out with this external keyboard and mouse combo what kind of features you get and what kind of commands you can use. So the first thing is this Windows key and you can use it to trigger the assistant. Coming back to the mouse, what you get is directly cursor like this. Alright, you can right click to get the menu. You can swipe down from top by holding the click and you get this notification panel and quick settings. If you swipe from bottom like this by holding the click and you swipe from bottom, you're going to get your app drawer and here all of your favorite apps are present. The bottom keys will continue to work the way they are. Now let's come back to the keyboard, and there is one little thing that is very nice with this keyboard, that you can use the calculator. And for this, make sure that you turn on the numlock option on your keyboard like this. So here this numlock key is on and you can use it to do big number crunching with ease on your big keyboard, something like this. Let's find something funny. Let's find something enjoyable. Let's go to YouTube. So what about media consumption? Well, what you can do is you can use the scroll wheel. Okay, you can scroll to your whatever video you want to watch, or you can go to the search option and use your large keyboard to search your favorite YouTube channel. Well, mine is this. Okay, so here is how you use the keyboard, and that is about YouTube. You can also use this combo for web surfing and drawing, where this thing really shines. Overall, I think that the setup is very enjoyable and you get a mini laptop or mini desktop kind of experience with the help of your tablet or mobile phone. If you want to learn more unique information, something like this, then variety of clickable cards will pop up right here in the form of thumbnails. You can click on these cards, jump to those videos, learn something new today. Take care and have a nice day, guys.